basically I was out here getting groceries and on my way I saw a few streeties और मुझे उनके लिए बहुत बुरा लगा because there's so much heat, there's so much sun out here and these streeties they don't get food, they don't get water, उनको हर जगह भटकना पड़ रहा है. On top of that we get to sit in AC, we get to sit in the fan but they don't have any shade. मतलब गाड़ियों के नीचे से गाड़ियों के ऊपर से उनको हटा देते हैं, भगा देते हैं, प्लस दुकानों के पास भी उनको नहीं बैठने देते, तो ऐसा छाँव भी नहीं मिलती है एंड दैट्स सैड. मतलब बहुत बुरा लगा. So the locality where I am right now, there's a Just Dog store nearby and I was like it's my go-to store. I have gotten like a lot of things from there. I was like why not streeties के लिए भी उधर से मैं खाना ले लूँ because I trust that brand, I trust that store, so yeah, why not. So we're gonna go do that and I'm gonna take you guys along with me. Okay, so from where I was, the store was a very small walk, so I was like, चल के ही चले जाते हैं. While I do that, I quickly wanted to talk about this store. So first thing is कि it's on the main road as you can see. So very easily accessible, very nice and like अच्छा लगता है कि बहुत पास में से ज़्यादा it's like connectivity. Major point for a lot of people. Apart from that, the staff here is very very friendly, very very amazing. Like बहुत अच्छे से queries भी answer करते हैं, बहुत अच्छे से आफ्टर सेल सर्विसेज वगैरह भी मिल जाती है एंड मतलब या apart from that they have an amazing collection of dog food and cat food and pet food in general. Anything, any brand that I would want for my pets or like any dog or cat in general, I would find it here. So that is also very nice कि अच्छा lineup है. बाकी store में जाके I'll show you guys. Alright, so here we are and I'm going to take you guys in with me, show how the store looks like on the inside. So let's go. Okay, so this when you enter, there's this name tag section. So you can get your name tags for your dogs, cats, whatever pet that you have. And then there's this entire toy section. So these are some really cute toys, so many options to choose from. And then when you go here, this is all of your grooming essentials, all of the things that you would need for the grooming of your dog. And then there's a lot of bowls, lot more bowls. This is your food section, this is your food section. So I'll take you guys through this. And then there's so much more food over here, so much more food over here. So as I was mentioning earlier, that there's just so many options, like so many options. And here comes more grooming essentials, medicines, everything. So I explored the entire store and one product that really caught my eye was this thing called Gobble. So this is basically gravies and they are like घर का खाना types meals. So they're nutritious, they would hydrate because they're gravies and on top of that it's a meal. तो जो भी dog इसको खाएगा, for them it's very filling. So we have grabbed 5 packets of this and basically Gobble comes in 4 flavor variants. Fish, chicken and liver and lamb. And that's what I've done. I've taken one of each and then one extra. So I'm gonna quickly get them bailed and then we'll go feed the streeties. So I'm getting all of my stuff billed right now, as you can see, and that is Mr. Atul. He's always there on the store every time I've been here and he's very helpful. आप hi कर दोगे camera में सिर्फ. So yeah, we have everything over here and we're gonna go out on the streets. We're gonna look for dogs, we're gonna look for streeties and we'll feed them. Let's go guys. Okay, so we've got the food and we also met a friend of mine on my way and we have found the dogs as well. So he's gonna help me get the food to the dogs and record everything and all of that. So yeah, let's go.
As you see, the bowl is set up.
Yes, the bowl is set up and guys, the gobble packet is completely empty. The two of them finish it up entirely. They kind of fought for it as well. So successful. Okay, so we fed this dog and another one over here. The two of them ate up 2 packets and we're really glad that they did, that they liked the food that we had selected. So now we're gonna look for more pets, more streeties and go feed them as well. Okay, so on our way to finding more streeties, we got distracted by this little cutie over here, and I just wanted to show you guys. So yeah, let's go find more cuties. Okay, so we found another dog, but he was a little scared, so we had to move away, and that is the dog having his food and yeah, gobble, and we're just watching. In case he needs more, we go serve him again. Okay, so we have found some more dogs, and oi, and Pratim is getting them food. He's already got the food out.
Camera change. Start.
Okay guys, so we've fed the dogs, we're done for the day, and it was genuinely very nice to have done this. It felt very nice कि हमने इतने सारे dogs को खाना दिया, and I am going to make this a frequent habit to feed streeties around me as much as I can because they deserve an equal amount of love. So yeah, apart from that, the food that I had got, gobble, उसका जो chicken and liver वाला flavor था, and any and every flavor in general, the dogs loved that. मतलब the
निगल गए
moment,
एकदम।
yeah, exactly. The moment we kept the bowl, they would just come at it कि खाना है करके, and apart from that, even the bags they would sniff and they would be running to the bags. So yeah, a 10 on 10 from our end. Hoping that you guys do this as well. Feed streeties around you as much as you possibly can. Please make sure that you feed them the right kind of food. Yeah, that's it. See you guys in the next one.